In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a master password in Firefox, also called a primary password. This is a simple but powerful way to add an extra layer of protection to your saved logins, so if someone opens your browser, they still won't be able to access your passwords without the code you create. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access Firefox settings and privacy options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can manage everything from appearance and privacy to saved passwords and autofill options. If you don't see settings right away, take your time and look carefully through the menu options. On the settings page, look for the section labeled Passwords and Autofill and click it. This is where Firefox keeps the tools for managing saved logins, password storage, and autofill features. It's also where you'll find the option to create your master password. Now scroll down until you see the option that says Set Primary Password. Click that option to begin the setup process. Firefox will now prompt you to create a new password that will protect your saved credentials. This password is important, so choose something strong that you can remember but others can't easily guess. Type in your new password carefully. After that, Firefox will ask you to enter it again to confirm that everything was typed correctly. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation field, making sure both entries match exactly. Once both password fields are filled in, click OK to save your primary password. Firefox will now activate the master password protection, and from this point forward, anyone trying to view or access your saved passwords will need to enter that password first. And that's it. You've successfully set up a master password in Firefox. This is a great security step if you store login details in your browser and want to keep them more private. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.